Hello everyone, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video, I want to show you why you should put plastic bags on your feet. It is very simple to do. I am sure many of you will find this advice helpful and want to try it. For this tip, you need to take thick bags. I'll be using Ziploc bags like this, and most importantly, they should be without holes. After a hot day on your feet, when you have to walk a lot, especially in heels or closed shoes, your feet need to rest. But it's not always possible to take a foot bath, for example, if you are out of town, on vacation or on a business trip. Sometimes you have to walk a lot, your feet get tired, sweat, and an unpleasant odor appears, but there is simply no basin or large container in which you can put your feet so they can rest a little. That's when the advice I am going to tell you about now will come in handy. We will need 1 liter of warm water. The water temperature should be approximately 35 degrees Celsius. Next, take some apple cider vinegar. I used 6% apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, I will tell you what you can replace it with. Measure out 30 milliliters and add it to the water. Mix it a little and our solution is ready. Now I will show you how to use it. Take the bags and put them on your feet. It is best if the zip fastener is in the front. Next, you need to pour the water and vinegar solution we made into the bags. I'll divide it in half, meaning I'll pour about half a liter into each bag. This procedure is absolutely no different from a foot bath, only there you lower your feet into a basin or a large container, and here you pour the solution into bags. That is, in essence, in both the first and second cases, your feet are in a solution of water and vinegar. The benefits of vinegar foot bath. They help relieve tired and heavy feet, eliminate odor, heal cracks, and soften the skin on your heels. This bath will also be useful for those struggling with foot and nail fungus, because vinegar has not only antibacterial but also antifungal properties. In addition to vinegar, you can use baking soda for foot soaks. It softens rough skin and calluses. It reduces inflammation and irritation if you have micro cracks on your feet. It also relieves tired and inflamed feet. You can also take foot baths with salt. They are wonderful for relaxing your feet, moisturizing them, and fighting germs. Salt baths are also excellent for prevention, helping to avoid foot odor and fungus. 15 minutes is plenty for my feet. I open the bag and dry my feet so I can get to the shower. To prevent the solution from spilling out of the bag onto the floor, I place the bag in a ladle. If you have a sink or shower nearby, place the bags there. I do the same with the other feet. After the vinegar bath, rinse your feet with cool water in the shower or place them in a basin of cool water. After 15 minutes in the solution, the hardened skin will soften nicely, so grab a foot file and use it on your feet. If you want to get rid of cracked heels and fungus, then remember to be consistent and do this foot bath at least twice a week. This is how dry my heels were before the procedure. And look how my feet feel after the apple cider vinegar bath. The skin is soft and peels off very easily. By the way, there is no need to throw away the bags. Just empty the solution and rinse them under water. It's clear that they can't be used for storing food products, but you can easily take them with you to the countryside or on a business trip and give your feet a 15-minute rest. Moreover, they won't take up much place. After the apple cider vinegar bath, you can apply cream to your feet after 20 minutes. It can be a nourishing or moisturizing cream. Choose your favorite. Now friends, you know why you should put plastic bags on your feet. I think this life hack will be useful for many, since it is not always possible to take food baths everywhere. And our feet definitely need rest, especially after a hard day or tight shoes. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.